right, these guys.
They're not gonna have it.
Hey,
It's only have
hey fellas. Hey, I'm taping a street magic special. You want to see some magic?
Oh my God, you're David Blaine!
David
That one
Blaine.
thing was incredible.
Thank you. You want to see some magic?
Yeah,
Sure.
of course.
Hey, take a card.
Oh my, is this gonna be on TV?
Don't let him see it. Don't let him see
This
it.
is gonna be on TV.
Might be. All right. Put it back in the deck.
Oh my God, this is crazy. You're David Blaine.
Is that your card?
Nope, that is not our card. Nope.
Interesting.
Nope.
Interesting. Lift up your shirt.
What?
What?
Who? You. Lift up your shirt.
Ow! What the F? What the F? What the? How did he do that? What? How did you do that? When did you do that?
I didn't talk
When
to
did
you.
you? How did you? What? Oh, there's not one on me. There's not one on me.
Hey,
What?
why don't you check your wallet?
Oh, what? The F?
no.
What?
Look
No.
where your driver's license is.
Don't look.
No.
What
It's
the-
right here. Don't worry. It's just my driver's license.
Okay.
Big whoop.
What the?
Big whoop. Just my driver's license.
How tall are you?
How tall am I? I am 5 foot ace of clubs.
What the
What the
fuck? Let me
What
see
the
that.
fuck?
What the? What?
Oh,
Let me
how?
see. Look what you did.
What did you? Can I see?
Shit.
It's typed on there. How did you type it? What if I get pulled over? It's typed on there.
You. What? Hey, why don't you check your cell phone?
Oh, no, what? Okay, would you change
What?
my home screen? Okay, ace of clubs. He's changing my home screen. Big deal.
Big deal.
That one's
Big
easy.
whoop. Big
deal.
whoop.
Ah.
Easy.
Why don't you do me a favor and call your mom?
What? No.
What?
My mom, okay, don't worry. My mom's never home during the day.
What
She's not
the-
gonna be home.
Yeah.
Mom? What the?
What? She's home.
What? Mom?
Tell her to look at your junior year high school yearbook.
No.
What the
No.
F?
No. Mom, can you look at my junior year high school yearbook? She's already looking at it. What the? Mom, she's looking at a picture of me already.
What's in the picture?
What's in the
Mom, What's in the
picture?
picture? What's in the picture? Okay, no, there's no card. Okay, thanks, Mom. I'm eating Chinese food with my fucking friends.
He's eating Chinese
Thanks,
food
Mom.
with his friends. Big whoop. He's eating Chinese food with his friends.
Check your sock.
Me?
Chopsticks! Chopsticks! What the chopsticks? What the? Stop putting shit on us! Stop putting shit on our bodies! Stop it! Seriously! If there's a fucking ace of clubs in my ass, I'm gonna sue you!
All right,
I'm gonna
guys.
sue you!
All right, you know what?
Stop putting shit on our bodies, David Blaine!
I'm not going to do anything else to you guys, all right?
Thank you!
You're welcome.
I'm not signing
that
any
was freaking
relief.
me out.
No,
I
I'm
know,
not
I know.
signing the
Before I
relief.
go,
What is that? What is
before I
that?
go, here's
What
the
is it?
sign.
What is
See
that?
the sign?
No.
All right.
No.
No.
You come here.
What?
No.
What?
All
Why
right,
am I
when
holding
I
it?
count
No.
to 3,
No.
I want you to flip the sign, and I want you to read it.
What
No!
the fuck? Oh, you know what? It's just gonna say ace of clubs. Just fucking read it.
I don't fucking want to. No!
Just read it.
No.
1, 2,
No.
3.
I'm not reading that fucking sign. I am not reading that fucking sign. So fuck you! Fuck you and your fucking demon magic fucking demon shit. Fucking no! If I go home and there's a fucking ace of clubs in my ass, I swear, I will fucking go ape shit, you fucking demon. You're a
Evan, read the sign.
holy fucking shit box! Ah! No! Fuck! No!
No. Can't believe they fainted. Yeah. Wait till they get home and find out what's in their asses.
If you put this up on YouTube, I'm gonna effing sue you, David Blaine.